They sew words to shrink us. Overbearing, troublesome, bitch.
Their sad currency of swipes. Faces in darkness, full of spite.
We are undervalued.
Sidelined.
Downtrodden.
Trolled. Stalked.
Hounded.
Harassed.
Vilified. Murdered.
Temptresses at barely 13.
They call us underage women when something's at stake, when we refuse to bend, refuse to smile, but that fuse is sparking electric.
We are ungovernable embers.
We are exotic fruits.
They want to give us a day, they say. 24 hours of praise.
But we're gates shut with chains that they will hammer open.
They call us witches. We descend from silenced healers, caretakers, gathering courage from flowers, blooming like magnolias.
Remember, a woman birthed you, gave you life.
We are magic. We are shapeshifters.
We are ecstasy-filled earthquakes.
We demand more.
Don't tell me who, what, or how I am. I am.
They call us woke when we sing our sisters' time in the sun.
Stand by them rather than stand by.
They call us only womb, vessel, rape faker.
They call us qamar, a borrowed light.
We are mouths full of feathers, taught not to spit.
Dragging pain by the hair across generations.
Cut our autonomy from our anatomy. Tell us to stuff our bleeding racket with silence.
But now, our words are many voices in one throat.
When I stop and listen, feel my skin, hear my breath, I think of all my foremothers and yours making us possible.
There are tides in us they will never draw back. Strongly stitched, we knit into and out of one another.
We are flowers that have known the weight of drought and still dare to bloom.
When the sludge threatens to weigh us down.
Women like Athika, rise.